Good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. I am glad to see you. How are you, everybody?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Thanks, I'm very glad to see you. Sit down, please. Okay, children, I am your English teacher. My name is Miss Gulnaz. I'm glad to see you. Before starting the lesson, dear children, we are going to be a bee today. Why I choose bee? Because bees are what? Working very hard. Yes? Will you work very hard? Will you participate for the lesson actively?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Before starting, let's use our golden rules. We have to what? Be kind, yes, be polite, respect each other, and when you are answering the questions, please raise your hands, okay? Okay, let's start. Now, before starting the lesson, I want to start with tongue twister. What is tongue twister? Скороговорка. What is скороговорка? We are saying the word sentence. What? Quickly, yes? Here we have a new tongue twister. Betty, better, butter, bread, spread. Do you know these words? Do you have an unknown words here? What is Betty? It's a name. Betty, bread, name. Better, butter, bread. Okay, we are gonna to learn this tongue twister in 2 minutes, okay? Who wants to read? Betty, better, butter, bread, spread. Yes, Omar, please.
Betty, better, butter, bread, spread.
Very good. Yes, Язык.
Betty, better, butter, bread, spread.
Great. Fatima.
Betty, better, butter, bread,
Butter, bread, spread. Jodar.
Betty, butter, bread, spread.
Better, butter, bread. Yes, Tonight.
Betty, butter, bread, bread.
Betty, better, butter, bread, spread. Okay, let's read all together. Betty, better, butter, bread, spread. Aruke, please read.
Betty, butter, bread, spread.
Betty, better, butter. Yes, Salman.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Okay, let me take bread and Betty. Who can read? Who can read? Yes, tonight.
Betty, butter, bread, bread.
Okay, Jodar.
Betty, better, butter,
Read.
bread.
Very good. Asim. Read. Betty.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Very good. IBK.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Bread. Okay, let me take butter. Who can read now? Yes, Язык.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Great, thank you. Have Altınay.
Betty, butter, bread, butter.
Betty, better, butter here, yes? Okay, thank you. Yes, Jordan.
Betty, butter, bread.
Bread. Yes, Kalia. Camila, I'm sorry.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Okay, let me take better. Who wants to read? Omar.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Very good. Yes, anyone? Yes, Язык.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Better, butter, bread. Asim.
Better, butter, bread.
Now, I will give some honey because beers are getting honey, yes? Now, those who will learn this tongue twister and who will participate actively will get honey. At the end of the lesson, those who collect more honey get some prizes. Okay, what is prizes? Sweetie. Okay. Now, who learn it? Aruke. Read, please.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Very good. Thank you, Rani. I begin.
Betty, better, butter, bread.
Very good. Well done. Yes, Asim.
Betty, butter, bread.
Betty, better.
Butter,
Bread. Okay. Anyway, Azrek.
Betty better butter bread.
Very good. You are so active. Yes, Omar.
Betty better butter bread.
Very good. Thank you, Rani. Jodar.
Betty better butter bread.
Very good. Thanks, Camila.
Betty better butter
Bread. Okay, bread tonight.
Betty better butter bread.
Bread. Very good. Fatima.
Betty better butter
Butter.
bread.
Okay. Anyway, thanks. Yes, Islam.
Betty butter. Нет, Betty
Better
butter
bread. Okay. Thanks, Kalia.
Betty better
Bread. Okay. Thank you. Eralı.
butter bread.
Better
Bread.
bread. Hanike, do you want?
Betty
Butter, bread. Okay, thank you, Hanike. Hanike, again. Bread. Altınay.
Betty butter
Butter.
bread.
Okay, thank you. Salman.
Butter bread.
Good, very good. Great. Do we have any volunteers? Yes, tonight.
Betty better butter bread.
Well done. Yes, now let's open some videos, guys. Look at this video. What we are going to do? Okay. Now, what we are going to speak about? Tonight. About what?
About
What kind of words we are studying today? Tall,
short, old,
Yes. Okay, thank you. Omar.
tall, short, young, old, shy, friendly.
Friendly. Okay. What? In generally, what can we say? To the topic of the sentence? Adjectives. What is adjectives? What? Прилагательные. Yes. We are gonna to learn about some words, new words. Yes. Here, open your page, please. Unit 12.
No.
It is what? Clever baby. We are gonna to learn, as you say, new words. Old, young, handsome, pretty, short, tall, shy, and friendly. And who is very friendly in our class? Not ugly. I'm saying who is very friendly in our class? Who is friendly?
In my class, it's friendly and
Who? Fatima is very friendly. Yes. Oh, who is handsome? Yes, handsome in our class. Boys are handsome. Yes. What about pretty? Who is pretty? Maybe I'm pretty. Pretty.
my mom.
Your mom is pretty. Very
My
good.
mom.
Very good, guys. Now let's listen and point and repeat how these words are pronounced. Okay? Let's listen. Yeah, let's go. Oh my God. Okay, let's start. Old. Say after me. Old. Okay. Young. Then handsome. Pretty. Short. Tall. And shy. Friendly. Very good. Now, guys, want to make up sentence using these words. For example, my mother is very pretty. Yes. And who wants to make up sentence? Yes, please.
My dad is world handsome.
Also handsome. Okay. Yes, Asil.
My grandpa is old.
Your grandpa is old. Okay. Azirek?
Me watching young my grandma.
You are watching what?
Watching grandma young.
What? I can't understand. You were watching movie or what? Cartoon about? You are watching just picture. Okay, thank you. Yes, any volunteers to make a sentence tonight?
My brother is friendly.
Your brother's friend is really? Oh, yes, Errol.
My brother is young.
Your brother is young, yes, and handsome. Okay. Fatima
My little brother is friendly.
is friend. Your little brother is friendly. Thank you. Aruki. I'm sorry.
In my class, Sophia is short.
In your class, Shafia is short. Okay. Omar,
My sister is tall.
your sister is tall. Aybike,
My grandma old.
you have old grandma. Okay, guys. Now, let's play a game. I spy. Now, I will say the words. For example, I spy with my little eye something beginning with. I will say the beginning of the letter, and you're going to guess the word. Okay? For example, let me wear some glasses. I spy.
Ogo.
Okay, are you ready? I spy with my little eye something beginning with, for example, S. Short. Yes, I begin short. Okay. I spy. Okay, take your honey. I begin. Short. Yes. Short. Shy. Who said shy? Yes. Okay. I spy with my little eye something beginning with white. Young. I begin again. Yes. Young. Okay. I spy with my little eye something beginning with, for example, F. Please, just raise your hand. I can say friendly. And in your group also, I will give one honey. And Jodar also will take one honey. Okay. I spy with my little eye something beginning with T. Yes. What's it first? Okay. We didn't start at a t-shirt. We are learning about adjectives. Tall. Yes. Okay. I spy with my little eye something beginning with, let's say, imagine G. Giraffe. No. Giraffe. It's your teacher. Today, your teacher. Name starting with. Yes. Gulnaz. Yes. Giraffe. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, guys. Now, what we are going to do? Could you please look at exercise 2, guys? Listen and read. Could you please look? I will give you just 30 seconds to read the text, okay? Read by yourself. Let's start. Okay, who wants to read? Holly, Max, Dad, Amy. Okay, Holly, you will be Amy. Okay, Holly. Next, tonight, Holly, Max. Okay, Dad, Ma. Grandpa, yes. Okay. Leo. Okay. Let's start. Holly. Start reading. Holly.
Look, Amy.
We have got.
Some old photos.
Max.
This is Dad when he was young.
Dad. Dad. Okay. Islam.
I'm still young.
I'm still young. Amy.
Wow, he was handsome then.
Wow, he was handsome then. Dad.
I'm still handsome.
Look, this is grandma when she was young. Wow, grandma was pretty. I think grandma is still pretty. Grandpa.
Okay, Max.
Look at the photo of Grandpa.
Leo.
Both he had black hair when he was young. Yes, I've got white hair now. And this photo is Max when he was a baby.
Okay.
He had a book then too.
Okay.
He isn't different at all.
Okay, very good. Now, guys, look at the first picture. Who are the people sitting in the sofa?
Me.
Yes.
Dad,
Okay.
grandma, and grandpa.
Dad, grandma, and grandpa. Do you have grandmother, grandfather? Do you have grandfather and grandmother?
Это тоже grandma and grandpa. Это то же самое, да? Дедушка и бабушка.
Yes. Do you have?
No.
I don't have grandpa. Do you have grandpa?
I have grandma and grandpa.
You have grandpa, and what color was grandpa's hair when he was young? Asim?
Young is
Hair. When he was young,
Black.
what color was?
black.
Black hair. Now he has
Brown.
Brown.
White.
White hair. Okay, very good. And thanks, guys. Now, anyway, we have grandpa, grandma, mother, father, yes, family. We have to respect, care about our fathers, mothers, yes. Now, in this time, could you please stand up, everybody? Stand up. We are gonna do an exercise. Baby, yes. Sharks. Who is he? Brother?
Can I?
Brother? Who is he? Okay. Then father.
Me, please.
Islam. Okay. Sister. Okay. Grandpa. Grandpa. Okay. It is a grandma. Your grandpa. Okay. And who is he? Mom. I begin. Now, guys, what we are gonna do? Okay. We will work all together. Okay. Grandma, grandpa. Okay, are you ready, guys? Look at here. Please look here. Shark. Handsome. Your grandpa is very handsome. Yes. Thanks for your participation, guys. You did your great job. Now, guys, you are gonna do working groups. First group, second group, third group, and fourth group. I will give you some letters about our new words, about adjectives. You are gonna to order the words. For example, first group, you will gonna to find the words and adjectives, okay? Working together. Second group, you are gonna order the words again. Second words. And third group, you are gonna to order again adjectives. And first group also word, yes. Find the word adjectives, please. Yes. Okay, wait. Very good. Very good.
We have finished.
You have finished it. You have finished it. Okay. What kind of words did you find? Friendly. And what is friendly? Okay. And what is the antonyms of
Shy.
shy? Okay. Let me open some words. We are gonna to again at the same time we are gonna to learn the antonyms of these words. Okay. Friendly, unfriendly. Yes. Fatima is very friendly, and for example, I'm not friendly. It means I'm unfriendly. Yes. And what did you find? What did you do? Okay. Pretty. What is pretty?
Симпатичный.
Okay. And what is the antonym of pretty? Ugly. Yes, it's very easy. And what? Thank you. What? Handsome. Boys are handsome. Ugly. Also the opposites of the word.
Oh my God.
And young. What is young?
Young.
Young.
Молодой.
And antonym or opposite? It's old. Yes. Old. Yes. Okay. Now here, look here, guys. We will use our picture dictionary here. Old and young. Again, handsome, ugly. Okay, pretty, ugly also. Short, tall. I have a long. Sorry, I have a tall friend. See? Tall. Страшный, ugly. It's my friend.
It's you.
Is it handsome? It's my handsome and tall and friendly friend.
Yeah. What friend?
You say it's ugly?
What's his name?
No. It's short. It's just short. Wait.
What's his
Short.
name?
You friend.
Your friend is short. Yes. No, it's not short. You see?
What's his name?
Okay. Thank you. What's his name? His name is Tom. He came with me from Жалал-Абад. Okay, let's continue. Outgoing and shy.
Outgoing.
What is shy? Outgoing. Outgoing. Shy. It's opposite of shy. It is outgoing. Okay. And yes, friendly. Unfriendly. Please here pictures. Friendly, giving, sharing. Yes. We have to be very friendly. And shy, he's not giving anything. Yes. That's all, guys. Now, let's play a game with using these antonyms, words, adjectives, okay? For example, okay, put here, Islam. For example, friendly, alternate, unfriendly. Okay. Tall, Oman. Small. Short. Okay. What is old Aybike? Opposite. No, in English. Old, young, yes. And what is friendly, Fatima? Shy. What is handsome?
Handsome, ugly.
Ugly. What is pretty, Kaneki? Ugly, pretty ugly. And what is shy? Camila. I'm sorry, Camila. Friendly. Okay. Did you have your breakfast? Okay. Now, and what is tall? Opponents of tall. Asim. Tall. Yes. Short. Thank you. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good, guys. Now, could you please again make up sentence using these words? Make up sentence using these words. Yes. Or let's describe picture. For example, here, could you please describe here pictures? For example, they are very handsome, or short, or young, or what else? Could you please describe? Please raise your hand. For example, let me show here some pictures. We have here two friends. Yes, she's. Could you please describe? She's what? Raise your hand. Yes, Isaac.
She's pretty.
She's pretty. Okay, take your B, Annie. Yes, I begin. Which one do you want? Please. Islam, please.
She's hot.
She's hot?
He's
handsome. He's handsome. Okay, thank you. Asif?
He's handsome.
He's handsome. Okay. I guess that. Jordan?
He is handsome.
He's handsome. Yes, I see that he is handsome. Let me show another picture. Another picture. Islam is raising her hand. Yes, Islam.
She's pretty.
She's pretty. How do you think? Is she short?
She's shy.
She is shy. Okay. Take your money. And what about Fatima? She's young. Yes, and pretty. Take your honey. She's friendly. Okay. Oman?
She is tall.
She's tall, maybe. Yes. Okay.
Pretty.
Okay. And let's describe this picture. Yes, okay. He or she? Brother. Okay, he is young. Okay.
He's handsome.
He is short, maybe. Yes. Thank you. Fatima.
He's handsome.
He's handsome.
He's friendly.
Okay, describe this. Isaac is good. She's pretty. Okay, good. Thank you. I begin. She's short. Okay, tonight. Okay, just please.
He's old.
He's old.
He's not young. He's old.
He's not young. Yes, he's old. Okay. Camila, do you wanna describe this picture? He's old. Okay. Isaac, yes, please.
Handsome.
Is he handsome? Okay. What about this picture? He's handsome. He's friendly. Yes or not? Friendly. Yes. Asim.
He is handsome and young.
He's handsome, young, and at the same time tall. He's short, but I didn't say he's short. Fatima.
No, he's young.
He's young. Yes, Jordan.
He's short.
He's short. Thank you. Great, guys. Great, very good. Okay, guys. Now, our time is going to. Please calm down. Could you please look at me, Fatima? Could you please, Omar? Our time is going to up. And what we are gonna do? Do you like our lesson?
Yes.
Do you like our lesson?
Yes.
What did you learn during our lesson?
You.
What? Yes, Jordan.
Words.
New words did you learn? Yes, you learned new words. What else? What did you learn? Yes.
A clever baby.
A clever baby. What else? Adjectives. Okay. What else?
Young.
Young. We learned new words. Do you like our lesson?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes.
If you say yes, please raise your hand.
Yes.
Who love my lesson?
Yeah.
Do you like?
Yes.
Activities our. Okay, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks for your participation. Okay. I wish you good luck and good girls to try to do your best. Now, could you please count your ani?
Bring подарков.
Yes, I will give my подарков now. Okay, I said count your ani, please. 4. How many ani did you collect? 2 ani. 4. 5. 2 ani. Kalia. Everyone is participated very actively. Yes. How many? 10. In English, please. 10. Could you please count together and say 1? Come on. How many ani did you? 14, 19. Okay. Our winners, guys, please, guys, calm down. Our winners is today the second group. Yes, second group is our winners. Thanks for your participation. Collect your everything. Close your books. And you may please, go to your class.